we go on the River Rapids. Yeah, this is the first water ride this year. If you're wondering why I didn't film anything between Snowdrift and this, because it was only a short walk and there wouldn't be much point filming anything, so it would be from there to here. But yeah, the POV from Snowdrift had a really good spin. Yeah, it's a brilliant coaster, that spinning coaster. Yeah, so now we're on the Reverchon River Rapids. This has been at Fantasy Island for a couple of years now. It's a decent little rapids, but we'll take you on for the POV. It's very bouncy. This ain't me shaking. Yeah, so here we go. Whoa. Yeah, these rapids used to be owned by Lightwater Valley. Obviously they came back under Mellor's ownership a couple of years ago. But Mellor's did originally own this ride, but it's ended back up with Mellor's Group. Obviously now Mellor's Group own Lightwater Valley again, so maybe this ride will end up back at Lightwater Valley at some point. Oh, well, that's the soaker. And that was the rapids.